we believe that there's a lot of different things that can have a positive impact on tinnitus, perception, and annoyance. But the problem is that, there's probably a layering that needs to happen. And you even mentioned it yourself, like you should still do the sleep hygiene things, even if you're going to do CBD. And I think that's true for literally everything when it comes to tinnitus. There's probably, in any individual, there's probably multiple things that would have some level of measured benefit on their perception of their tinnitus. It's just identifying what exactly those things are, and then what may work for one person may not work for another person.